It is Super Bowl Sunday, and I'm gonna show you guys the decorations me and Jaden and
well, my first band was called the Kansas
really
City
the kids.
Sound Machine. And one day, every single one of them betrayed me.
But yeah, it is Super Bowl Sunday. Obviously, we're Niner fans, duh. But I'm going to show you everything that I set up. And because we are having a party, so for the kids that are coming over, I set up Kendrick's table, some toys. Actually, I don't know who did that. I think Jaden did that. Some toys, some coloring for kids to do. And I brought down some toys out of Zoe's room just because I don't want kids upstairs. But this is how we decorate it. She got some cards to fill out, trivia. Got those from Dollar Spot at Target years ago, actually, but nothing fancy. I made the banner, got that from Walmart. Just added balloons. Balloons can literally make your house look so decorative. I actually had a 4 and a 9 from Jaden's birthday and what Zoe was going to use, but I can just get her another one. So. Antonella's over here frosting cupcakes. Say hi. Gave our neighbors' kids and my kids some cupcakes. Is it good? Are you gonna eat the cupcake or just the frosting?
Mama.
Huh?
I still want a cupcake.
You have it, so eat it. You gotta take the wrapper off. Like that. Look. Hey. Is that good? You ready to win a Super Bowl? Give huggies. Hi, baby. Give Zoe huggies. Aww. Got more dips and cupcakes. And everybody's watching the game. Not me. It is halftime. There's so many people in here. What? You want this one or do you want this one? Look, with the sprinkles. You guys say hi to the vlog. Everybody say hi.
Hello. Shalom.
Clearly, as you can tell by my energy, we're sad. Our team lost. How do you feel? Wait, get out that light. How do you feel? I'm sad.
I mean, it definitely sucks. I mean, But I'm always like the cup half full. Like I'm glad Andy Reid got a win. I wish it would have been against somebody else, not us.
Right. I'm glad we were in a Super Bowl though.
And
but...
Patrick Mahomes, honestly, I mean, you know, all 4 of the black quarterbacks in the league. So I don't know. There's a lot of positives to pull out of it, and the fact that we definitely got a lot of talent on the team. So we definitely could be back sooner than later.
I'm rooting
for next year. It wasn't this year.
Yeah. But we had a good time with everybody. It was fun. We're all laughing. Kids had fun, played, enjoyed their time. But it is sad that we did not win. But hey, can't win them all. But back to reality. School. Back to life. Back to reality. You want? Okay, what you gonna say to the vlog? What you gotta say?
I love you, vlog.
Say I love you, peeps.
I love you, peeps.
Yep, that's the end of this vlog. I hope you guys had a good Super Bowl. I hope whoever you're rooting for, I don't know. I'm sad. But I'll be bitter off camera. So thanks for watching, and we will see you guys. Busted. We will see you guys next time. As you all can see, my house is a hot ass mess. It is time to put things back where they belong. We've never had this many people actually over our house before, but we had a good time. Everyone enjoyed themselves and the kids enjoyed themselves. But it is time to get back to reality. Time to clean this hot ass mess, honey. And I hope you guys enjoy this video and find motivation through it as well. So let's get started. I know I may look weird. If you're wondering who I'm talking to, I'm not talking to myself. I'm talking to my favorite cousin, Portia, on the phone. We are just babbling, you know, what girls be doing or whatever. But that's who I'm talking to. I'm not just talking to the air. But I hope you guys are enjoying the video. I'll stop interrupting.